This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with the Hryfine app. First, download the Hryfine application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, make sure your smartwatch is fully charged and powered on. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection process, setting the foundation for your device's functionality. Once the app is installed and Bluetooth is active, open the Hryfine app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Device or My section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will find an option like Add Device or Bind Device. Tap this to start searching for your smartwatch. A list of available Bluetooth devices will appear. Simply select your smartwatch from this list to proceed with the pairing. After selecting your smartwatch, you will likely receive a pairing request on both your smartphone and the watch itself. Confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. The app will then ask for various permissions, such as access to notifications, location, and health data. Grant these permissions for full functionality. Finally, check the app to ensure your smartwatch data, like daily steps or heart rate, is actively syncing, confirming a successful link. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to restart both your smartwatch and your smartphone, then try the pairing process again. Also, ensure your Hryfine app is updated to its latest version, as updates often resolve bugs. Lastly, check that no other Bluetooth devices are actively connected or interfering with the pairing. These simple troubleshooting steps can resolve most connection problems quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.